wake up early.
Rise and shine. Here's Maylot. She's over here prepping our beverages for the day. Thank you for waking up early every day, making sure we have all our health and gut shots available. You see right here, the white drink is immunity drink, and that has organic lemons, ginger, honey, water, and eventually she's going to sprinkle her Ceylon cinnamon. In addition to that, she preps our apple cider vinegar shots, and that has lemon juice, honey, water, and that apple cider vinegar. That's me in the back. I'm in charge of the meals, so that's me making sure she eats something because her cravings are crazy. Salud, baby. Cheers. Have a good day. I love this moment with you. Cheers to health.
Taking these morning shots is so rough, and it gets better over time, but I'm still yogging, as you can see. Moving on to the juicing portion. So as you can see, I prep all of my fruit for juicing the day before. So I put all of my cut up small pieces of fruit in one bag and all the big pieces of fruit in the other bag, and juice fairly quickly. I'm really I clearly need to work on my facial expression, because why do I look like that? I look absolutely freaking disgusted. It's actually kind of embarrassing. Lord, is there a way to vlog on my face but still keep the juicing content? Why? My forehead. So I usually transfer the juice that I make in the mornings to this, because I'm making juice for 3 people. And this just does not hold enough liquid for 3 people. Anyway, moving on. And that's all, folks. So I think from what I can remember, I juiced beet, oranges, lemon, ginger, apples, and watermelon and strawberries. I could have missed something, but I believe that was it. And cucumber. To level up everybody's juice experience, of course, I add a little pizzazz in every cup, aka CMOS. Now, we all know the benefits of CMOS, but if you don't, let me put you on game. It improves your immune system, it supports a healthy thyroid, it balances blood sugar levels, etc., etc., etc. It is literally the best. I take it every morning, and I cannot have my juice without it. I make different juices every day depending on what fruits we have at the house. Most of the time though, it's beet, oranges, apples, strawberries, watermelon, pineapples. It's either watermelon or pineapples, so I usually don't have both. Sometimes grapes, sometimes blueberries. As for my juicer, we have the Breville Juice Fountain Elite. I just upgraded it. I believe Bobby bought me this one for Christmas. Yeah. Because the other one was, I'd had it for a long time and it just wasn't performing up to par. So we upgraded to this one. What I like about Breville is that it's super easy to clean, easy to take apart, easy to put together. It's kind of makes your job a lot easier, especially if you're juicing on a consistent basis. So yeah, I look for that when it comes to when I look for a juicer, is like how easy it is to clean. So this one is definitely pretty easy to clean. And I will go ahead and link this specific juicer in the bio. I just made some tea for us. Usually we take coffee in the morning, but I thought we would start switching it up just so we don't get too hooked. As for what is actually in the teapot, it's quite a mystery. My mom gives me this like tea mixture that I put in here to make the tea, and then we put tea bags in it as well. And it's just a few like tea spices to give the tea a little bit more flavor than just the tea bag. So it's kind of delish, but honestly, like I can never make it the way that my mom makes it, so I'm pretty sure that like this is not all she does. But I guess I'll never know, or maybe I will. I don't know.
No, we're gonna get her on a cooking show.
She don't be giving me her like full recipe, you know what I mean? She gives you like a partial recipe.
Some onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper.
Anyone wondering why I was surprised countless times in this video? I'm making an acai bowl base.
Got any wise words for the people?
Wake up early.
Oh, really? You're gonna end at that?
Because it's only 7:45 right now. And we're almost done without morning. You're annoying as hell. I need to grab something.
Give me a second. I'm doing something.
The knife, Bobby. Stop swinging it. Oh, you want an acai bowl too? Yeah.
I might as well.
Well, they're not. You can't get those. Here's the granola. There you go. There's a banana down.
What? You said you don't want apples?
No, not on mine.
You don't mind?
No, I said not on mine.
Got some leftover fruit for the day?
Perfecto. Thank you.
Is that how much you want?
Yeah, that looks good.
Acai bowls.
Woo! Look at that shit. Fire. Fire.
Yummy!
Fire.
It's good?
Yeah, I want more bananas.
There you go. Really, why?
I said done with our morning.
How are we done with our morning if it's only the top of the morning? You good? Need water? You don't sound cool.
You're a hater. Let me zoom into what a hater looks like.
Zoom into the food.
Zoom in. I'm zooming into
job.
what a hater looks like.
Good job.
Okay, my arm is hurting.
Okay, well, get over it.
This camera, dude.
No, you get the whole acai bowl. What was the point? Shut up.
I need that. I I'm raged at that when I have to put that back.
So, because you're behind it, no one can see what you're doing. You gotta remember, you're being recorded.
That's the thing. I'm not just. Your annoyingness